Welcome to Hustle Empire, the channel where I teach online creators methods to make money online and become financially free. I'm guessing that you clicked on my thumbnail because you want to create a passive income stream online. In this video, I will show you how to passively earn $100 per day using these smart apps. Everyone is aware that it is possible to make money online, and the digital revolution has begun. Making money using a laptop or mobile device is a wonderful reality, not a fairy tale. I'll teach you 5 tried and true ways to generate passive income from your phone. These 5 websites only require account creation and an additional 4 to 5 minutes for setup. Before you can begin generating passive income from each website, we will evaluate its business plan, setup time, payment options, and specific strategies. Remember that you must give each of these 5 websites and applications an opportunity, as you will not become wealthy by utilizing just one. The next stage towards financial independence is to combine them all and earn an additional $100 daily. Hustle Empire is a channel dedicated to online business, earning money, success, and motivation. I hope you enjoy the video. The first app I will discuss is Cash Magnet, whose header describes it well. Make money from your Android smartphone. We pay for every minute that you do nothing. I've tested it and it works even if you do nothing. Let's visit their homepage and review their frequently asked questions. Now, it is essential to understand that points will be awarded every 5 minutes the app is active. After that, you'll be able to redeem your points for cash or Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation, or Xbox gift cards. Curious about their marketing model? Well, when you grant permission in their app and select the so-called on icon, Cash Magnet will visit websites, access apps, and click banners on secure websites. Cash Magnet places a premium on data security, which is why it routinely enhances and updates its security process to provide a secure environment for its customers. This is useful information. Cash Magnet is exclusive to Android, requires a Wi-Fi connection, and only functions when your phone is idle. This often overlooked factor is crucial, as the application will not function if you use your phone while it is operating. Thus, this is an excellent method for earning money while resting and not using your phone. Anyway, it is time to proceed to our second application to make passive income from your phone. McMoney is a mobile application that enables users to earn money by merely receiving text messaging. Their business strategy is straightforward. Download the APK to your mobile device, install it, and register your phone number to begin receiving text messages and earning money. This app will pay you to receive text messages. You grant the app permission to evaluate and enhance mobile operations by allowing McMoney to send text messages to your phone. They appear to be interested in enhancing their marketing messages and experimenting with new methods to reach their clients or prospects. Now, this is useful information. You are not required to reply or take action in response to these text messages. If you so choose, you can immediately remove them after receiving them. Let's explore the complete method of earning money with McMoney. Install the McMoney Android application. Continue with the sign-up process. Consult the frequently asked concerns if you have any concerns. Verify your telephone number, and McMoney may periodically send test SMS messages to your phone number. Each test message you receive adds to your account balance. After reaching your withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw at any time. Receive an incentive for referring others to the McMoney app. The FAQ contains additional details. Finally, it is clear that McMoney receives and stores all information in a highly secure manner. Please read their privacy statement if you have any questions about their policies. The next application I will discuss is Money SMS, which is similar to McMoney, a completely free Android application that generates income by sending text messages. Now, quick disclaimer. I'm aware that Android users were the only ones with access to the 3 methods I've shown to you to create a new passive income stream. However, be sure to watch the entire video to discover 2 additional applications that are compatible with all operating systems. Now, let's return to Money SMS. Their primary characteristics are that they run on Android and make significant online income. You only need to install the application because it is secure and automatic. They have a referral program and it's free, so if you don't know how to install the app, they have a guide to help you to get started. In addition, they satisfy the most recent GDPR privacy policy requirement. And if you require payment verification, follow the link to Foxy Rating. It takes approximately 5 minutes to create an account, and Bitcoin, Litecoin, and PayPal are accepted as payment methods. The SMS messages do not require a response or action on your part. You can delete them whenever you desire. Let's briefly review the first half of our video again. The combination of McMoney, Cash Magnets, and Money SMS already generates a substantial passive income each month, and installing all 3 applications takes approximately 50 minutes. Still not convinced? If you like what you've seen so far, please subscribe and ask any questions about this or any other video on the channel in the comments section. In addition, I've included links to the apps I discussed in this video in the video's description. Check out my previous video on the 3 ways to make money if you're searching for alternative ways to make money. SimCash will be our 4th application. Currently, everyone has smartphone subscriptions with unlimited data and text messaging. Data is essential, but I don't believe any of us send a great deal of text anymore. Instead of wasting your text messages, SimCash enables you to convert them into virtually any currency of your choosing. Let us examine how SimCash operates in greater detail. You are paid weekly and can view your account balance in real time. They take crypto payments or bank transfers in US dollars or euros, and it is entirely passive due to their ability to operate in the background, allowing you to continue using your phone while SimCash earns money for you. Using unused text messages from your subscription, they promote their application or verified affiliate applications following their business model. You can utilize multiple devices on the same account if you wish to earn money with this application. It generates multiple revenue streams from a single application. Simple application, a concise tutorial, and an additional way to generate passive income from your mobile device. Installation takes approximately 5 minutes. Now let's move on to the 5th and final application of the video. Before I end this video, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comments what you think of these strategies for making money online. HoneyGain is our 5th and final application. It functions similarly to Cash Magnet, the first application we discussed. By providing them with internet access, you can generate passive income. We can see from their homepage that their average rating on Trustpilot is 4.5 out of 5 stars. It is an easy way to earn passive income, but they also safeguard your data and only collaborate with reputable partners. Additionally, they will never request access to the device's storage. It's fascinating that you know precisely who or what your device serves. Your devices serve as watchtowers, allowing renowned companies to access the internet regardless of location restrictions or censorship. Moreover, their profit calculator will captivate your interest. Assume that we can share 5 gigabytes per day over 4 hours. We earn $46 per month. Isn't that terrific? 5 gigabytes may seem like a lot, but if you have an unlimited membership, it's not. It is irrelevant to the majority of us. Only the speed of your shared data will decrease at the end. However, this is not a concern for us because HoneyGain pairs well with it. In addition, I encourage you to explore their entire homepage to learn more about HoneyGain. Are you prepared to earn passive income from HoneyGain? Within 20 minutes of viewing this video, you are now ready to begin earning passive income from each of these applications. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content about making money daily. As always, we'll see you next time on Hustle Empire.